Have you ever found yourself lost, confused, or uncertain about your next step? Whether it's choosing a career, making a big decision, or simply trying to understand yourself better, there is one tool that can bring clarity and direction. It's called the 5 W's. How, what, when, where, and why. Before taking any action in life, these 5 W's are essential to consider if you truly want to live a purposeful and fulfilling life. In this video, we are going to dive deep into how these simple yet powerful questions can transform your decision-making, boost your confidence, and lead you to a life of clarity. Let's get started. First, we have what. This is all about defining exactly what you want to achieve. It's the foundation of every decision you make. Ask yourself, what am I trying to accomplish? Whether it's a personal goal, a career path, or even deciding on a relationship, understanding what you want is the first step. Without clarity on what you want, you're like a ship sailing without a destination. You will end up drifting through life, unsure of where you are going. Imagine you want to become a millionaire. Simply saying, "I want to be rich" is vague. Instead, get specific. What does being a millionaire mean to you? Is it having financial freedom, owning your dream home, or creating generational wealth? The clearer you are, the better you can plan your path. The clearer you are, the better you can plan your actions. Next is why. This is your driving force. Understanding your why gives you the motivation to keep pushing forward even when things get tough. Ask yourself, why do I want this? Your why needs to be strong enough to carry you through obstacles and setbacks. This is the question that connects your goals to your deepest desires and values. It's what keeps you going when the initial excitement fades away. Let's say you want to start a business. Why do you want to do it? Is it for financial freedom, to create a legacy, or to help others? Knowing your why can keep you motivated during those late nights and early mornings. Now, let's talk about third W, how. This is where you figure out the steps to reach your goal. Once you have identified the what and why, it's time to create a plan of action. Ask yourself, how can I achieve this? Break down your big goal into smaller, manageable steps. The how is all about strategy, resources, and taking action. It's not enough to just dream. You need a clear plan to make it a reality. For example, you want to write a book. Don't just sit there waiting for inspiration. Plan out how you will write it. Will you dedicate 30 minutes a day? Start with an outline? Take a writing course. A good plan turns ideas into action. The fourth W is when. Timing can be the difference between success and failure. It's about knowing the right moment to act. Ask yourself, when is the best time to take this action? Sometimes, waiting for the right moment can save you a lot of effort and heartache. This is where patience and foresight come into play. But remember, sometimes, waiting too long can turn into procrastination. For example, let's say you want to invest in stocks. Rushing in without understanding the market could lead to losses. But if you wait too long, you might miss the best opportunities. Finding the right when is about balancing patience with actions. Last but not least, where. Your environment plays a crucial role in your success. This question helps you decide the best place or setting for your goals to thrive. Ask yourself, where do I need to be to succeed? This could mean choosing the right workplace, social circle, or even moving to a new city. If you are looking to start a creative business, surrounding yourself with like-minded creative individuals can inspire you and keep you on track. Sometimes, the right where can be the difference between stagnation and growth. Life is full of uncertainties, but with what, why, how, when, and where you have a powerful toolkit to navigate through any challenge or decision. By asking yourself these 5 questions before making a move, you gain clarity, purpose, and direction. So, the next time you're faced with a big decision or feeling lost, pause for a moment and run through these questions. It could be the key to unlocking your true potential. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe to channel, and share it with someone who could benefit from this wisdom. Remember, clarity leads to power, and the power is in your hands. See you in the next video.